Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Challenges will come. Some will shake you, others will break you. But remember, every great story has its trials. Your setbacks, they're setups for a stronger comeback. When life knocks you down, rise stronger. When doors close, build your own. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Take the moment you have and make it perfect. Growth comes from stepping out of your comfort zone and facing your fears head on. It's okay to fall, but don't stay down. Every failure teaches, every scar strengthens, and every step moves you closer to your dreams. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. Success isn't about speed, it's about persistence. So keep going, keep dreaming, and most importantly,